Hi everyone! You are watching the How to Buy Axon, a series of practical tech tips from our software engineers on how to make your IT product sharper for competitors and better for customers. My name is Alina and today we're going to talk about single sign-on implementation into your application. Single sign-on lets you use one login for multiple apps, simplifying authentication. It's handy for individuals and companies of any size, reducing the hassle of managing lots of login information. Our comprehensive guide offers step-by-step instructions for implementing SSO into your application. We cover selecting the appropriate SSO protocol, technical implementation in Java, and management authentication tokens. Also, our software team shares useful tips and code examples for best software practices. Get easy-to-follow guidance for the seamless authentication experience for users across multiple apps. Start now!